Hello friends, in this video we learn about important concept related to enzyme, that is isoenzymes. These are nothing but the enzymes that differ in amino acid sequence yet catalyze the same reaction. These enzymes display different kinetic parameters such as kcat, km or different regulatory properties. They are encoded by different genetic loci which usually arise through gene duplication and divergence. Isoenzymes differ from allozymes, which are enzymes that arise from allelic variation at one gene locus. Isozymes can be distinguished from one another by biochemical properties such as electrophoretic mobility as differ from each other in electrical charges. The existence of isozymes permits the fine regulation of metabolism to meet the particular needs of a given tissue or developmental stage. The example of isozyme is lactate dehydrogenase, that is LDH, that function in anaerobic glucose metabolism and glucose synthesis. Human beings can express two different polypeptide chain for this enzyme. First is H type, highly expressed in heart, and second is M type, found in skeletal muscle. The amino acid sequences are 75% identical. The functional enzyme is tetrameric and five different combinations of two subunits are possible. The H4 isozyme found in the heart has higher affinity for substrates than does the M4 enzyme. The two isozymes also differ in that high levels of pyruvate allosterically inhibit the H4 but not M4. Other combinations such as H3M have intermediate properties depending on the ratio of the two kinds of chains. Many isozymes contain different subunits in various combinations. LDH has five possible types of isoenzymes. Each is tetramer composed of four polypeptides, namely H3M, HM3, M4, H2M2, and H4. If you like the video, share with your friends and please do subscribe our YouTube channel. Hit the bell icon to get update of latest notification from our channel. Thanks for watching.